Hello everyone. Today we shall explain the laws of exponents for real numbers. Do you remember how to simplify the following 17 square into 17 to the 5, 5 square to the power 7 or 23 to the power 10 by 23 to the power 7 is equal to 7 to the power 3 into 9 to the power 3. Did you get these answers? They are as follows. 17 to the power 5 2 plus 5 is 7. 17 5 to the power 7 to the 14. And 10 to the 23, that is 10 minus 7 is 3. And 7 to the power 3 into 9 to the power 3, that is 63 to the power 3. To get these answers, you would have used the following laws of exponents, which you have learned in your earlier classes. Here a, n and m are natural numbers. Remember, a is called the base and m and n are exponents. A to the power m into a to the power n is a to the power m plus n. A to the power m in bracket n is a to the power mn. A to the power m by a to the power n is a to the power m minus n, m is greater than n. A to the power m, b to the power m, that is ab to the power m. What is a to the power 0? Yes, it is 1. So we have learned that a to the power 0 is 1. So using 3, we can get 1 by a to the power n is equal to a to the power minus n. So we can now extend laws to negative exponents too. For example, 17 to the power 2 by 17 to the minus 5, that is 17 to the minus 3, that is 1 by 17 to the power 3, or 5 to the power 2 to the power minus 7, that is 5 to the power minus 14, 10 to the minus 10 by 23 to the power 7, that is 23 to the power minus 17, 7 to the power minus 3 and 9 to the minus 3, that is 63 to the power minus 3. Suppose we want to do the following computation: 2 to the power 2 by 3, 2 to the power 1 by 3, 3 to the power 1 by 5 to the power 4, and 7 to the power 1 by 5, 7 to the power 1 by 3, 13 to the power 1 by 5 into 17 to the power 1 by 5. How would we go about it? It turns out that we can extend the laws of exponents that we have studied earlier, even when the base is a positive real number and the exponents are rational numbers. Later we will study that it can further to be extended when the exponents are real numbers. But before we state these laws, and to even make sense of the laws, we need to first understand what, for example, 4 to the power 3 by 2 is. So we have some work to do. In section 1.4 we define root over n to the power a for real numbers a greater than 0 as follows. Let a greater than 0 be a real number and n be a positive integer. The root over a to the power n is equal to b, that is b to the power n equal to a, and b is greater than 0. In the language of exponents, we define root over a to the power n is a to the power 1 by n. So in particular, root over cube root of 2 is 2 to the power 1 by 3. There are now two ways to look at 4 to the power 3 by 2. 4 to the power 3 by 2, or you can write 4 to the power 3 by 2, 4 to the 1 by 2 to the power 3, or 4 to the 1 by 2 is 2 to the power 3, that is 8. 4 to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 4 to the power 3 to the power half. 4 to the power 3 is 64 to the power 1 by 2 is 8. Therefore, you have the following definition. Let a is greater than 0 be a real number, and let m and n be integers such that m and n have no common factors other than 1, and n is greater than 0, then a to the power m by n is equal to root over n a to the power m, or root over n to the power a to the power m. We now have the following extended laws of exponents. Let a greater than 0 be real number and p and q be rational numbers, then we have a to the power p, a to the power q, a to the power p plus q, a to the power p, q, a to the power p, q, a to the power p by a to the power q, a to the power p minus q, and a to the power p, b to the power p, a b to the power p. You can now use these laws to answer the questions earlier. Here we have got simplify 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3. We are getting 2 to the power, this is the basis same, therefore 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 2 to the power 3 by 3, that is 2 to the power 1, that is 2. Question number 2 is 3 to the power 1 by 5 to the power 4, or you can write 5 to the power 3 to the power 4 by 5. 5 to the 1 by 5 by 5, 7 to the 1 by 3, that is 5 to the 7 to the 1 by 5, 7 to the 1 by 3, that is 7 to the power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3, that is 7 to the power minus 2 by 15. Or 13 to the power 1 by 5 into 17 to the 1 by 5, that is 13 into 17 to the 1 by 5, that is 221 to the power 1 by 5. We can use these laws for exponents. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.